Welcome back to Cars Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious and innovative sedans of the year, the 2025 Genesis G90. From its stunning exterior to its high-tech interior and impressive performance, the G90 truly sets a new benchmark for luxury sedans. Let's explore what makes this flagship sedan stand out. Exterior. The 2025 Genesis G90 is a masterclass in modern design. Its bold and sophisticated look commands attention from every angle. The signature crest grille takes center stage, flanked by sleek, dual-line LED headlamps that exude elegance and confidence. From the long, flowing hood to the dynamic parabolic line that stretches seamlessly along the sides, every detail speaks of Genesis's commitment to refined aesthetics. The 21-inch alloy wheels, paired with flush door handles, enhance its futuristic yet timeless appeal. At the rear, you'll find quad-line LED taillights that echo the front design, along with a clean and minimalist bumper. The 2025 G90 is available in a range of premium paint options, including the stunning Makalu Gray and Verbier White. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that redefines luxury. The 2025 Genesis G90 offers an exquisite blend of craftsmanship and advanced technology. Every material, from the Napa leather seats to the real wood and metal inlays, has been carefully chosen to deliver a first-class experience. The centerpiece of the interior is the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, seamlessly integrated with a 14.5-inch infotainment touchscreen. The system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Genesis connected services for a truly connected experience. For rear passengers, the G90 doesn't compromise. Reclining, heated, and ventilated seats, along with a massage function, create an unparalleled level of comfort. Dual rear entertainment screens and a dedicated tablet-style control panel put entertainment and climate settings at their fingertips. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, while customizable ambient lighting sets the perfect mood for any journey. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Genesis G90 offers two powertrain options: a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 producing 375 horsepower, or the more powerful 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with an electric supercharger, delivering a combined output of 409 horsepower. Both are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive for smooth and responsive performance. The G90 also features an advanced air suspension system that adjusts ride height and damping to provide a silky smooth ride, even on rough roads. The steering is precise, and the chassis strikes a perfect balance between comfort and agility, making it equally at home in the city and on the highway. Genesis has packed the G90 with cutting-edge safety features, including highway driving assist, smart cruise control, and a comprehensive 360-degree camera system for peace of mind. The 2025 Genesis G90 is more than just a luxury sedan, it's a statement of innovation, elegance, and performance. Whether you're drawn to its striking design, ultra-luxurious interior, or its dynamic driving experience, the G90 proves that Genesis is a force to be reckoned with in the luxury car market. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Genesis G90. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Does this luxury sedan have what it takes to compete with the best? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.